To succeed in Google AdWords, you need three factors. First of all, you need to create some relevant ads. Relevance means that you create as many ads as the keywords you target. So first of all, you have to create relevant ads. That means that if somebody searches for a green car, you have to create an ad saying green cars. If somebody searches for a blue car, then you have to create another ad mentioning blue cars. So 100 keywords, 100 ads. That's relevance, and relevance is really, really important for AdWords search. Second factor, quality factor, is the interest of your ads. So your ads must be interesting enough so people will click on them. So Google will check the click-through rate of your ads and compare them to your competitors. So if your ad has lower click-through rate than your competition, so you will have a lower quality score and you will rank lower than them. So interest and relevance are the first two quality factors that define who is going first, second, or third in the ranking on Google AdWords search. Of course, there is a third and really, really important factor, which is landing page experience. Landing page experience is the experience of your visitor visiting your landing page. So your landing page must be relevant and fast. And of course, it's necessary to have all the information needed and all the information you told on your ad that the visitor will find on your ad. So let's say that somebody is searching for a green dress. Your landing page, your ad should be green dresses, and your landing page should direct them to green dresses, not to clothes, to green dresses. So if you follow that strategy, you will succeed. And that will define the ranking of your ads on Google AdWords search, and of course, the CPC, the bid you are going to pay. If you have high ranking, if you have high quality score, you have low CPC. So these quality factors define how much are you going to pay, and of course, if you will rank high. So these are the three factors that define success in Google AdWords, and in this course we're going to check them one by one because we want to be sure that at the end of the course you will know exactly what to do to succeed, and this is our guarantee. We want you to succeed. Then we have display. Google AdWords Display. It's a great tool because Google AdWords Display lets you put advertising in GDN. GDN is Google Display Network, so you can put your advertising in every site that cooperates with Google worldwide. That means a lot of websites. You can target visitors with 7 different ways. 7 different ways. So you can target them by the keywords they are searching online or the keywords on the article they are reading. You can search them by affinity audiences. That means that you can target based on their interests, on their daily interests. You can target them based on their in-market audience. That means on what they want to buy now. So Google knows what they want to buy, and Google can serve your ads in them directly. You can target them based on their remarketing habits. That means based on remarketing, that means that if they have already visited your site, they can see your banner everywhere. That is remarketing. Then we have specific remarketing and dynamic remarketing. We have 3 remarketing options. Then you can target them by demographics, men, women, ages, and parents. And of course, you can target them by topics. So if they are visiting specific topics, website topics, you can target them, and you can target them based on specific websites. So you can target specific websites. And all these 7 factors, you can combine them with location, starting from 1 mile, just 1 mile. That means very small circle around your business. You can target them based on the hour they're visiting online, and you can add frequency and money. So you have a lot of options, and you can combine all these 7 targeting options with the main targeting options of your campaigns and create really, really unique display campaigns with high return on investment. So that's where we are going to focus. We're going to check one by one all these 7 all of these 7 targeting options, and then we are going to see how to create your ads, and we can help you create your ads so as to be successful. And we want to be sure that you will succeed using Google AdWords. So that's what this course is all about. We are happy to see you inside. Just enroll and don't be afraid to ask. We are here to help you. You have lifetime access, and of course you have our guarantee that if that will not work for you for the next 60 days, then you will get your money back. So that was our Google AdWords course. We're waiting you inside. I'm Simon Kos, and I'm here to help you grow.